Let's make curry chicken back using local hand-cut chicken back. Cut away fats and remove skin and chicken body. Removing skin is optional. Wash with white vinegar, then rinse with water. Drain and pat dry to remove excess water. Season with salt and your favorite spices. If you don't want to use spices, then don't use spices. Rub spices on meat, marinate for at least 20 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons vegetable oil. Heat should be on low. Add blended scallion, onion, ginger, hot pepper, and thyme. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons Indian curry. Cook curry for 10 seconds. Heat should be on low. Put chicken back into pot. Cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes before adding water. The chicken back will not create juices unlike chicken because it is mostly bones. Add 2 cups water. Cook chicken back on high heat. Taste and add more salt if needed. Serve hot with steamed rice.